Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to create a screen recorder by using Python. First of all, we have to install three packages. So open your PowerShell window. Here is the PowerShell window, and now you have to install packages. The first package is numpy. So to install it, just write it pip install numpy, as I have already installed, so I will not be installing again. After installation of the numpy package, you need to install another package named opencv python. So over here you need to write pip install opencv python. After a few minutes, when it will be installed in your computer, then we have to install the third package named autopygui. So to install this, simply write pip install autopygui, and after installing all these packages, we are ready for creating a screen recorder. So let's start the video now. Yeah. As I have entered into my editor window, so first of all I will import the packages named by using the keyword import cv2. Then we have to import the numpy, so import numpy as np, and then import the third package pyauto GUI. So as you can see, now we will create the video of the screenshots recorded. So to do this, we have to just simply write a variable name like screen size. Okay, screen size, and enter the dimensions of it. Like I will take 1920, 1080. Okay, after that we have to define the type of the video. So to do this, we have to just write variable, it is the type of the video for cc. So you need to import the cv2 dot simply video writer FORCC video writer for cc, and hit by this, use the asterisk for arguments, and simply write in it the type of the video over here. So I will take it xvid. Okay, after that we have to make an output. So I am taking a out.write function, because we have to write the output of the recorded screenshots. So for doing that we will use frame. Okay, now sorry, just remove this line, and you have to make it is a variable, because we have to give the output over here first of all. So cv2 video writer, simply use this function video writer, and you have to give the name of the video. So I will give it output.avi, and then I have to enter the style which I am using, like 4cc I am using, and then after that I have to give the frame size. So I will keep it 20.0, and after that I have to mention the screen size. So it is basically I have taken the variable screen size. Okay, so now we have to do the another thing, which is the main topic of this video. We have to capture and store all the screenshot now. So to do this, I will just take a while loop which will be continuous, so I am keeping it true, and then I will take a variable name like img, and using the PyAutoGUI, I will capture all the screenshot. Okay, screenshot will be the function, built-in function of the PyAutoGUI package. And now I will now I will convert the image variable into an array. So I am doing after this comment. Okay, I will show you frame. I'm taking a variable and I will be storing into an array. So I am taking np array from the package numpy and put this variable, store all those screenshots into this array. And now we have to create the image using the opencv package. So I am writing after this, so I will use the tab again to make the indentation of the while loop. And now I will have to write frame equal to cv2 package. I have to object I have to call, and I have to write it cv2 cvt. Okay, color cvt color, and I have to make it call the frame, and for this I have to call cv2 dot color, make this caps. Okay, all this in uppercase, color. This is the package, built-in package in the opencv, built-in function in the opencv package, bgr to changing to rgb. Okay, now to see the output we have to do that, or we have to see the output or the screen. This will look somewhat as the streamer's screen while we start streaming. So it is like a streamer screen. So to do that we have to just write out, sorry, it is in lowercase, out dot write, because we will be writing this video recording. So to write this we have done this frame, and to exit the screen recorder there should be a key. So to do this I'm just doing this okay, before that one more thing is left. So we have to just give a name to the frame. So I will be giving this like cv2 dot I am show, because it will show in the window. So we will type over simply show and then call the object which is our frame. And now to exit the screen recorder we just need to, I will take an if condition. So if cv2 dot wait key is true, so for true I will be taking 1 is equal to order of let it make it, if we hit q then it will quit or the screen recorder will stop. So we will keeping it as q, and if this is an hit colon, and it will break the continuous loop or the infinite loop. So here we have completed. So now I will be deleting all the comments so that it look nice. Okay, I will be removing all the comments. So how it looks like. So we have imported cv2, imported numpy as np, then PyAutoGUI imported, then we have set the screen size with their dimensions, then we created the style. Okay, and after that we'll put it in a output variable. So now again to create this to create and capture the screenshots, we take a while loop, and it is continuous loop. So we will be collecting all the screenshots in an image file, and after that we will keeping and storing it in an array, and then we gave it a name and frame, and now it's ready to go. And we also put a wait key over here. By pressing Q, the the screen recorder will exit. So now run it. Okay, so we will run it now. So I am moving to my PowerShell window. Here is it. I will just type python dot screen sc, it was my sc.py, and hit enter. See, it is working. Okay, and this is how it is working. These all are the things I am doing over here. This is my screen recorder. Is it working? And now to stop it, I should go to my window and hit Q. So it is now stopped. I will go and check it in my file. So this is the file, and see, there must be an output file. Okay, let's find it. So this is what, and I will run this. See, it is how, yeah, it is working. Okay, so the work is done now. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. I will be bringing some more cool projects like this. Oh, so I have to turn off. So please do like and share and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind. Bye bye. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे वीडियोस लाते रहूँगा.